if you want to set any song or customize ringtone for each contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or Plus, this is how you can do that in literally any Samsung S24 series phone. To set a ringtone from your phone settings, scroll down for sounds and vibration, go to ringtone. Just in case you're using multiple themes, go to the theme that you want to change your ringtone. You can either select from this variety of ringtones available from Samsung, or if you want to use your favorite song or custom sound, just tap on this plus sign. All your downloaded songs, music, even customized recordings will be available in this section. Tap on the sound or recording that you want to use as your ringtone. You can listen to a preview right from here. When you're done, just tap on done, and your chosen ringtone will be selected for your sim. Last but not the least, you can use separate ringtones for individual contacts as well. For that, open your contacts, select the contact that you want to change a separate ringtone, tap on this eye or information, and then tap on this three dot or more. From here, tap on change ringtone or vibration. If you want to use vibration, right from here you can use it, or go to ringtone, and you will be redirected to the same section we have shown you earlier in this video. Either select from this list, or as we have shown you, from your custom song or music. Just like the way we have shown you. And as you can see, along with the usual ringtone you have just selected before, a separate ringtone for that person is selected right here. So that's how easily you can set custom ringtones or songs on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series phone. Thanks for watching.